All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery on this Toyota 2015 Key FOB for an Avalon. And this is the battery that you need. I've got a bunch of them. They're CR2032s. But the first thing you have to do is get this key part out. So you're going to come over here and you're going to kind of push on this, and this slides out. See how that comes up? This slides it out. And once it's slid out, then you can look right here, and you're going to see there's like a little slot. So I'm going to put it in like this, all right? And then I'm just going to kind of twist it, and it should just pop open. And bam, Bob's your uncle. There's your one side, and there's your other, right? And so this is, that one's a Duracell, and we just got to get it out of there. So this is a Duracell, and I sometimes just use little Apple tools, and I'm just going to get under it, pop it out, just like that. And it's got two little clips here. So you want to put this side down. So you got to slip it under these clips, right? And then you're just going to snap it in. You see that? It just snaps in. And then you got to put this back on. So you're just going to slide it on like that, and then give it a squeeze. And bam, Bob's your uncle. And then you get this, and you're going to put this back in here, just like that. You see, it just slides right in that little hole there. And then that snaps shut, and you're done. Again, to get this key out, so here's your Toyota, and you want to get this key out. You just press this end of it, and it just slides out. When you put it back in, it just snaps it. And that's it. That's how you do it. So let's double check and make sure it works. We're going to come out here, make sure that battery's good. So I'm just going to unlock and lock it. I think she might have locked it. Let's see. Oh, yeah, look. And we'll lock it. Okay, so that's working. So I think we did a good job on that. This is the Avalon right here. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos. Peace out.